Welcome to Eziselect's video tutorial. In this video we are going to see what is Eziselect and how to get started with Eziselect. Let's take a look at what is Eziselect. A wide array of buying choices is available to consumers these days. This is a good thing. But with a ton of choices, also comes confusion as to which might be the right selection for you. Now help us here, Eziselect makes things easier for you by helping you make the best possible selection. On Eziselect's homepage, you will see 4 red buttons at the top right corner of the page. First button is for social. When you click on that button, you will see different follow buttons and a share button. Second button is create account. First of all, for getting started, you need to register with Eziselect, which is totally free. To register, click on Create Account button at the top right of the screen. Now, enter your email address, password, and re-enter the password correctly. Upon sign up, you will get registered with Eziselect. Once you are registered, Eziselect will send an activation link to your email address. You need to go to your email address and activate your account. Now, you are registered to Eziselect. You can sign in to Eziselect with this user ID and password by clicking on Sign In button. After sign in, screen for Eziselect approaches will show up. When you click on any of the approaches, and if it shows the message like this, then there can be 2 possibilities. 1. Your account is not activated. Go to your email address and activate your account. 2. Eziselect can take 8 to 10 minutes to set up your account, so please wait for 8 to 10 minutes and then refresh the screen. Eziselect comes with 2 approaches. 1. Basic selection framework without specification categorization. 2. Advanced selection framework with specification categorization. Basic selection framework without specification categorization approach is for those small comparisons whose specifications need not to be categorized into categories. Basic selection framework without specification categorization approach comes with 2 sub-approaches. 1. Basic selection framework. 2. Basic selection framework with sample data. In basic selection framework approach, you only need to upload your specifications, entities you want to compare, rate these entities, and get the best option suitable to your requirements. As the name suggests, basic selection framework with sample data, Eziselect provides you with the default sample data for various common entities like automobiles, mobiles, house, banks, etc. You only need to edit this data as per your requirements and get the best result out of it. Now, what is advanced selection framework with specification categorization approach? Advanced selection framework with specification categorization approach is for those comparisons which has too many specification parameters that they need to be categorized into categories. This approach comes with 3 sub-approaches. 1. Consolidated specification relationships. 2. Consolidated specification relationships with sample data. 3. Isolated steps for specification relationships. In consolidated specification relationships, you can manage all your specifications relationships among your specifications, their categories, and their parent categories within one screen. As the name suggests, consolidated specification relationships with sample data, Eziselect provides you with the default sample data for various common entities like automobiles, mobiles, house, banks, etc. You only need to edit this data as per your requirements and get the best result out of it. In isolated steps for specification relationships, you can upload your specifications, their categories, their parent categories, and their respective relationships within individual screens. Eziselect provides you with Change Approach feature. It can be used when you are working with any of the approaches, and if you feel like you want to go with another approach in the middle of the comparison, you can go with any other permitted approaches by clicking on Change Approach link provided on the sidebar. Also, Eziselect has provided help within every screen. The accordion on the page provides help for the whole page, and question mark provides help for a specific content. Let's take a look at Buy button. Buy button will take you to our pricing section. Eziselect provides 4 subscription plans with different validation limits. After sign-in, the links, like Selection Framework, My Account, will show up. Selection Framework link will take you to the Approaches screen, where you can get started with any approach you want, and My Account will take you to your Eziselect account. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, visit below link.